Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about continue and break statements in Python. So these two commands are used to modify the running loop. Suppose if you want to terminate the loop or stop the loop before completing, we can use break, the command break. Or if you want to skip few of the iterations within the loop and again continue the loop with the remaining iterations, we can use continue also. So we can see with a simple example to understand it better. So I have created a list here with name fruit, and inside I have the names of the fruits, apple, banana, and few others. So I am iterating through the list. So use for I in fru colon and print I. So what it gives all the elements within the list, that is apple, banana, and everything. Suppose I don't want to print banana here, except banana, everything I should want to print. So what is the condition? If when banana comes, we should skip it and still we need to continue the loop. So in that case, we will use the command continue. So we can modify the loop again. So I'm just copying that here and writing the loop again for I in fru if I equals banana. That means when it banana comes, or if the I becomes banana, that the value of I becomes banana, continue. That means it will skip that iteration, only that iteration, and it will still again continue. Else print I. That means I will print only if it is not banana. When it's the banana, it should not print I. So what is exactly happening? We will first see the loop, how it works. So we can see here apple, mango, orange, and pear. So how it works? So first it will run this command, that the first line for I in through. That means it's iterating through each and every part. So first the I become apple. So when it comes here, if I is equal to banana, continue. That means it's not true. It's a false. That means I is currently apple. So it comes to else and print I. So it printed apple. Then it again go back to the loop. Then now the I become banana, second element. So if I is equal to banana, that means this condition is true. Then it will come here to the next line, continue. This continue means it will not allow to run the remaining code. Instead of, it will continue to the next iteration. That means it will go to the third iteration, mango. So that means it will not print it here, go to the mango, and it is I equals mango. That is not true here in if loop. So it comes else and it's printed. Then the next iteration takes orange, and the next iteration again it become banana. I become banana. So it comes here. If I equals banana, that is true. So again come to continue. Continue means it will not execute the remaining codes. It will directly jump back to the loop again and started picking the next one. So this banana will not get printed here. So that is what I mean. Suppose I don't want to print mango. So what we can do for I in true, if I equals mango, continue, and then else print I. That means here again, if the I become mango, it will skip. It will not come to the print statement. Or we can, yeah, we can, instead of else also we can do simply. We can simply use print outside the if loop. So this will also work. So if I'm running this, we can see. Oops, sorry, it's not equal to equal signs here. We need equals. If we can see, it skips mango here. So that is the continue statement. So in continue, it will not completely stop the loop, but instead of, it will just terminate the current iteration and it will continue the loop with the next iteration. Now we will see about this one. The next one is break. Yeah. So again the same list I'm using here. So again writing for I in true. Now, suppose if I find mango in that, I have to terminate the loop. That means I don't need to run the remaining part of the loop, instead of just come out of the loop. So in that case, we can use break. So if I equals mango break L, or if I can say otherwise, print I. Then I'm coming out of the loop. Again, I print one more out of loop now. So if you are running this command, or I'll just say find mango in the list. If I'm running this, what will happen? It will just printed apple and banana, then it comes out of the loop and printed this one, the last line. Find mango in the list. What exactly happening here? This is first it will iterate through the each and every fruit. That is first the I become apple. Now when it comes here, if I equal to I equals mango, that means it's false. So it will go here, print I, then go back again to the loop. Next is banana. Banana is equal to mango, that is false. So it will again print banana here and go back to the next iteration. Now the third is mango. Then it comes the I become mango. So if I equal to mango, that means this statement is true. That means I is mango now. So then it will execute this line. So what this line does, it will stop the loop there only. It will not let the loop continue again. So it's breaking it completely. So then it will exit from there and exit from the loop, and it's printing the statement outside the loop, print find mango in the list. So this is just simply I run a code or write a code to check whether mango is there or not. So if mango is there, there is no point of checking the remaining. Yeah, that is what I need. So I got the result. I'm exiting the loop. Suppose if I'm checking another fruit, for example, for I same line of code I'm using, and I want to check if any other fruit is there. Jackfruit is there. So, and if I'm checking this, so this is the last line I'm just deleting, and checking this, it will not stop it because jackfruit is not there. That means it will execute until the last, because the break statement never executed in this line. So that is about break. Also, when you're saying, you should not be confused with the continue. In continue, what is happening? It will just keep that iteration only, and it will continue the loop. But here it will break. In break statement, it will completely stop the loop and come outside from the loop.